How to change aspect ratio on your Vizio TV. So go to your remote and press on menu. Once you do that, this little setting will appear. You're gonna have to scroll down until you reach the system. Press on system and you will get this options over here. You're gonna have to scroll down to aspect ratio. So bring your cursor or the blue bar into aspect ratio, and then go ahead and press on OK. Then you'll be able to see a few options where you can change your aspect ratio into, and whichever you prefer, just go ahead and press on OK. It will automatically save to that aspect ratio. There's also more here in accessibility. If you would like, go ahead and scroll down to accessibility and you will see a zoom mode. It's almost like another option for an aspect ratio, but you can also go ahead and take a look if that works for you. But that is pretty much a simple way to change your aspect ratio on your Vizio TV. It's pretty much made simple in a few steps, so hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.